Hi, Miss Carmen here reading There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems, given permission by Mo Willems. This book is written, the words are written by Mo Willems, and the pictures are drawn by Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Elephant and Piggy hanging out. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. He doesn't look very happy, does he? I think he thinks it's funny. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Two birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know that they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Look, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! See how the words are big. He's yelling and screaming. Look at his face. Piggy flapped over because he yelled so loud. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Think it's gonna work? No problem. It worked. Huh, well, he did say, "Excuse me, birds," and then he asked them nicely. He said, "Please." So they left. They said, "Bye." And now Gerald looks happy. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. The end of every Elephant and Piggy book, there is a pigeon. I'll wait and see if you can find it first. Did you find him? Right here? Eating a hot dog? Good job. He's at the end of the book, so that is the end of There Is a Bird on My Head.